Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a great day. It is Thanksgiving 2025, and I just wanted to put out the Thanksgiving special, we'll call it. Thank you very much for tuning in. I've got a lot of fun for you today. Today I'm going to share with you some riding footage from February 2025, earlier this year. You've seen some of the footage in my 1,000 subscriber episode, and I'll pop a link to that up in the upper right hand corner if you haven't seen that one. That was a pretty fun episode. But this is more riding footage, specifically of the Skidoo tin cab that I was fortunate enough to ride. A friend had his 61 tin cab there, and he was gracious enough to let me ride it around. Besides the fact that they're just so rare, it's just a iconic snowmobile, an iconic Skidoo. Pretty much every modern snowmobile follows the same design that Skidoo, came up with. You got two skis in the front, one track underneath, and an engine out in front. That's pretty much how a modern snowmobile is laid out today. I believe it was marketed as kind of like more of a recreational vehicle when previous snow machines were more utilitarian and for work purposes, but this was kind of the first attempt at something for strictly recreational purposes, and as you all know, it kind of just took off from there. So it's about 4 or 5 minutes. I just did a quick lap around the apple orchard, Owen's apple orchard in Weedsport, New York, and I hope you enjoy. It's a slow ride. If you know tin cabs, they're not fast, but I hope you enjoy the ride, and I know I had a lot of fun riding that snowmobile. So thank you very much. I hope everybody enjoys the rest of the Thanksgiving, and I appreciate the support.
Keep it under 80.